Morning. It's Doug Smith. I'm broker owner of DHS Realty. And today I'm going to do a quick training on back agent loading a CDA. That stands for Commission Disbursement Authorization. Generally what happens is about a week to 3 to 4 days before closing, the title company will email you and ask for a CDA. And that stands for Commission Disbursement Authorization. Your second email when you're onboarded is back agent. You're each going to have your own login. You're going to log into back agent and this will be your home screen. All you're going to do is go to transactions and click on it. When you go to transactions, you're going to hit add a transaction. It's going to walk you through a series of basic questions. Is this residential? Yes. Is it a sale? Yes. And then at this point, I tell everybody to go to pre-closing. Always go to pre-closing on this checkbox. It makes it super simple. Then you're going to pick who you're working with. Let's say it's a buyer. You'll pick buyer. Then it'll say select a client. So you'll select a client. Bob, buyer. You'll put something about Bob. He's driven. I mean, that's really the company name. It doesn't matter what you put here. Okay. And then if you want no email address, you can select that. You do need to put a phone number. I believe so. Let's see if I can try to add it. Yeah, it'll say you need a phone. So you'll at least put a phone number. Then you'll hit add a contact. You'll see that there is Bob right there. And then you simply hit create a new transaction. Now, once you hit that button, you're going to be looking at 4 orange boxes. And all you do is go left to right. Start at the first orange box and go left to right. And you have to gray out the orange box. So the first one, you'll select property. You'll scroll down, you'll see it says set property. You check it and you're going to scroll down and it says probably you're going to find it in the MLS. So let's just act like we're doing this one. County Road. Okay. There it is, 3668 County. Let's say it's this one. I'm going to select it and then I hit set property. Watch that orange box. It goes gray. I go to the next box. And I'm going to scroll down. I need to put in the title company. So I hit add title. And let's just say that we're doing Truly. You're going to have Roxanne in here. You're going to hit Truly. Hit select property. Now we're down to 2 contacts. Hit it again. Scroll down. You're going to put the seller's name. The seller's name is Sammy Seller. Okay. All you do is hit add a contact. You go to the other agent, add seller agent. Seller agent is Sam, or how about Joe Blow, and you're going to put his company, Keller Williams Real Estate, okay, and then no email address, so put his phone number. And again, I don't care about the number. You can put 555-1212 all day long. All that information. And then it'll say, do you want to make it community or in your contacts only? Just want it with me. Look at that. 2 boxes went gray. You go to the next one, same thing. You're going to answer these questions. They're very basic. Okay. It's not rocket science. All right. Once you answer all these, guess what goes gray? The orange box. Then you go to documents. When you go to documents, you'll scroll down and it'll say you need to load the IBS. You'll hit required now. Attach document, and it'll run you through where to find it on your computer. You will have saved it as a PDF. Once you have hit everything required and there's no orange boxes anymore, this submit button goes yellow. You'll click on it. It'll say continue to the commission disbursement. You'll continue and it'll already have the $225 taken out for the sale. You're going to put in your commission. It'll automatically deduct out the $225. If it's op city, you need to take the total commission times 35. If it's above 150,000, if it's below 150,000, you'll take 30% of the total commission. That's before the 225 is taken out. And that will be in a drop down. It'll say external referral. You'll type in the amount and type in op city, OPCITY. After you do that, you'll hit submit at the bottom. You'll go to another screen. It'll say, do you want to continue? You'll do yes. You'll then have 5 yes questions that you have to answer yes to. You are never done with submitting a CDA until you answer yes to the 5 questions. Then it will say send CDA for approval. You'll hit send and it'll say it's been sent to management for review. That's when you're done submitting the CDA. You're not done until you get the 5 yes questions. Okay. I hope this helps, and y'all be safe.